So here we got the review of the 3M medium duty headlight restoration kit. It comes with two pads. One is 1,000 grit, the other pad is a 3,000 grit. It also comes with a sponge so you can handle it. Here's this headlight. I need to get going with this one. I already hit this one with the 1,000. So this is what the headlight looks like after using the 1,000 grit. So the instructions on the package says to go either side to side or in a circular motion, whatever is more comfortable to you guys. This is what it looks like after using the 3,000 grit. It should still look a little bit hazy, but you should not be able to see any visible scratches. And this is the comparison 1,000 to the 3,000 grit. Not really much of a difference. Right. Now this is a new type of clear coat that I've never used before, so we're gonna see how it works out. Apparently you open one of them, you do not unfold it, you swipe it across the both headlights using the first one, and you use the second one for the finish. So this is what the wipe looks like. I already swiped it across here, so let's see if you guys can see this right here. I'm not putting any type of pressure, just slowly passing it through. Supposed to do 25 to 50% coats, so I'm overlapping it. I'm applying it just as you would for any type of spray paint in the same direction, so you do not get any streaks. So now we're gonna move on to the other one. Here you guys are gonna get a better look. I'm using a paper towel to tack it down real quick, make sure that there are no contaminants on the headlights. Now I'm just gonna swap it over to the other side and get going with it. I gotta say, I'm really surprised by how well this is coming out. I did not expect it to come out this way. Well guys, this is the final product. I gotta say, I'm amazed. 3M, honestly, you guys know what you're doing. I've never used anything like this. I didn't have any high expectations, but wow, that's all I gotta say. It's worth buying it. I actually got it at Ross, paid like $7 or $8 for it. Used less materials, took me less time to do it. Just looks amazing. And this is what it looks like with the lights on. We actually just swapped out the regular halogen for HIDs, so it's gonna look really good. Now you just have to let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and you know it's cloudy today, so I'm probably gonna use the heat gun to speed up the process. Well, thank you guys for watching. Here's what the car looks like. I gotta say, I highly recommend that you guys buy this product, and like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.